at the saloon now.
Yeah. TRESSES, she's in the salon now. I'm doing her hair now. It's a new style. Can't you see everything is out? More special the bongo dress. I decided to talk everything out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because
in Nigeria, we believe in a beautiful of a woman.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I remember the Pevanzaru. Bongo was there, the Pevanzaru. When it's a little bit. People were calling me names now.
If people were calling names, now they are going to call you in alphabets.
No more names now.
Yeah, no more names now.
Alphabets.
Alphabets. Like Mrs. Miss. Yeah, no names now.
Yeah.
Yeah, you like a pick and pray product. Yeah, you'll be no names. Do you understand what I mean?
I get you.
Yeah. Like I go in South Africa early, long time ago. I think 1979.
Yeah.
I arrived here. Yeah, to make everybody to look beautiful in South Africa.
Oh, very, we hope you.
No, I won't be able to say this because in Nigeria, I was a businessman. I was roaming around the street selling the chicken buttocks. That was my job.
Buttocks?
Yeah, buttocks. So when I arrived in South Africa,
yeah,
I've been a bricklayer. Then I told my mom that, "Hey, mommy, I'm tired of being a bricklayer, and I've been searching for a job for a long period of time."
Yeah.
So she told me that I mustn't quit South Africa. Instead, I must be a pastor. Let me open a church.
Yeah.
I'm a pastor now. Apart from doing the hair, I'm the pastor.
This is your part-time job?
Yeah, this is my part-time job. Because now, remember why in lockdown? Yeah. But after lockdown, I get back to get offerings.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I will go back to my church, Helicopter Church of Nation.
This is your way of living for now?
Yeah, this is my way of living for now. Even if the government didn't announce anything about the saloon under State Street. But now what I can tell you is that I'm stealing something from the government now.
You're stealing something from the government?
Yeah.
What is that?
I'm talking about the tax.
Tax?
Yeah.
Are you saying you're not paying tax?
Yeah, for now. Because government will understand there's nothing which I put in the bank.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the money you keep it to yourself?
Yeah, the money I keep it to myself. As you can see, there's nobody in the salon. I work as a man.
Oh. You don't have a girlfriend?
No, I do have a girlfriend.
Girlfriends?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nothing. Jesus.
Like there are many of them. They be saying
Karabo.
Yeah, in Karabo, yes. So
I suspected that.
yeah, in Karabo.
Oh.
Yeah.
So Karabo is number what?
No, Karabo is number 7 now. Karabo is number 7 now.
Oh yes.
Yeah. So Karabo.
Does she know that she's number 7?
Yeah. And before I met her,
yeah,
I was a virgin. Even now I'm still a virgin. If you don't trust me, you can go home and ask my Facebook. We'll tell you that Papa is a virgin.
A virgin?
Yeah.
But you have a son.
What if I adopted them? I adopt.
You adopt?
Yeah.
And then what are you doing with Karabo?
Oh, Karabo, I just give him money.
Money?
Yeah, money.